Are you ready to make the most of your summer break and recharge your batteries? In today's episode, I'm revealing my top 5 self-care tips that every teacher needs to try this summer. Stick around and let's turn your well-deserved break into a rejuvenating and transformative experience. Stay tuned. What's kicking, educational rock stars? Welcome back to another episode of Teaching Made Easy, where I strive to bring you practical tips, inspiring stories, simple classroom systems that actually work, and expert insights to help you become a more effective and confident K-5 teacher. I'm your host, Farah, the Center Fairy, and in each episode, we'll explore a different aspect of teaching, from lesson planning and classroom management to student engagement and professional development. If this is your first time joining me here on the channel, be sure you hit that like and that subscribe button and click that bell so that you get notified when I go live or upload a new video here on the channel. This week, we're chatting all about teacher self-care during the summer, so grab your favorite beverage, turn the volume up, and get ready to be inspired and empowered. Let's dive in. All right, let's dive into our first self-care tip. Tip number 1 is to prioritize your mental health and relaxation. Teaching is a stressful job, so it's essential to unwind and focus on your well-being during summer break. You can try practicing mindfulness meditation to reduce your stress and improve focus. There are a ton of apps and YouTube channels available that can guide you through different meditation techniques. You can also attend a yoga class or try gentle stretching exercises just to relieve that tension. Yoga is a fantastic way to combine physical activity with relaxation, so give it a try. One of my favorite apps is the Apple Fitness app, and yes, it is a paid subscription, but there are a ton of different activities, and it's pretty much like a Peloton. I tried Peloton for a while, but I love the Apple Fitness app. If you have an Apple device, I definitely recommend it, and I love to turn either the meditation ones on. They've got short little 10-minute ones. There are some times where I might even sit in my car in the driveway, like when I come home from someplace, and just do one of the 10-minute mindfulness apps. So check that out, or mindfulness routine. So check that out because I really love it. Now moving on to tip number 2, engage with physical activities. Exercise is not only great for your physical health, but also improves your mood and overall well-being. Now, trust me, I get it. I don't like going to the gym either, but it is definitely something that I can recommend and say that when I do go, I feel so much better. Why not join a group fitness class like Zumba, aerobics, or spinning? You'll stay active, have a blast, and make new friends. Or you can take advantage of the warmer weather by going for a hike or maybe a bike ride in your local park or nature reserve. Just get outdoors and enjoy nature while staying active. Tip number 3 is to cultivate personal hobbies and interests. Use your summer break to explore your passions, whether it's trying something new or maybe revisiting an old hobby. Have you always wanted to learn painting, knitting, or another craft? Now's the perfect time. You can also join a book club or attend workshops to learn new skills and meet like-minded individuals. The possibilities are endless, so find what makes you happy and go for it. Tip number 4 is all about reconnecting with your friends and family. Teaching is time consuming and it's easy to neglect our relationships. Summer break is the perfect time to catch up and make some memories. Organize a potluck or picnic, or just spend quality time with your loved ones. Plan a weekend getaway or a day trip with friends or family to explore nearby attractions. Whatever you choose, make sure it's fun and relaxing, and it's that way for everyone involved. Last but not least is tip number 5, and that is to set personal growth goals. Take some time to reflect on your personal and your professional life and identify areas where you would like to grow. Maybe you want to improve your communication or your leadership skills. Seek out some resources or courses to help you achieve these goals. Also, create a reading list of books or articles related to your personal growth and dedicate time each day to read and reflect on the material. Remember, growing and evolving is a lifelong process, and summer break is the perfect opportunity to invest in yourself. All right, there you have it. My top 5 self-care tips for teachers to recharge during summer break. Now remember, taking care of yourself is essential for your well-being and your ability to be the best educator that you can be. Now it's your turn. Which of these self-care tips are you most excited about trying this summer? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you have other self-care tips that work for you, feel free to share them with our community. Now, if you're looking for more tips, strategies, and simple systems to take back into your classroom to make your teacher life easier, check out the videos on your screen. Thanks for watching and keep being an educational rock star.